so juicy and sweet. B is for ball that bounces on your feet. C is for cat who loves to play. D is for dinosaur roaring all day.
E is for elephant, big and gray. F is for fish that swims away. G is for giraffe, so tall and neat. H is for horse with fast running feet.
A, B, C, D, let's all sing. E, F, G, H, hear the letters ring. I, J, K, L, keep the tune. M, N, O, P, we'll get there soon.
I is for ice cream, cold and nice. J is for jelly, wobbly twice. K is for kite, flying so high. L is for lemon, give it a try.
M is for monkey climbing a tree. N is for nest where birds love to be. O is for octopus with 8 waving arms. P is for penguin with waddling charms.
Q is for queen, ruling the land.
R is for rocket flying so grand.
S is for snake, slithering around.
T is for train on tracks it's found. U is for umbrella for rainy days. V is for violin with music that plays. W is for whale in the deep blue sea. X is for xylophone playing for me.
Y is for yo-yo, up and down.
Z is for zebra with stripes all around.
Now we sung from A to Z. Sing it loud and dance with me. Learning letters is so much fun. Let's sing again.